Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga C940. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users have reported that their Lenovo Yoga C940 cannot hold a charge effectively. This issue often arises due to a worn-out battery or a failing hard drive. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, such as data loss or irreversible damage to your device. To get started with the repair, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a replacement battery, and a new hard drive if necessary. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by using the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Be sure to keep them safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips. Inside, locate the battery. It's usually a rectangular component that's easy to identify. You may also find the hard drive next to it, which can sometimes cause battery issues if it's failing. To disconnect the battery, gently unplug the connector from the motherboard. If you're replacing the hard drive, unscrew it and slide it out. When installing the new components, ensure that you connect the new battery securely to the motherboard, applying gentle pressure until it clicks into place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, replace the back cover and reinsert the screws, tightening them securely but not too forcefully to avoid stripping. After everything is assembled, power on your device to ensure it starts up correctly and that the battery is charging as expected. To prevent this issue from occurring again, it's a good idea to keep your Lenovo Yoga C940 updated with the latest software and to monitor battery health regularly. Avoid exposing your device to extreme temperatures and ensure you're using the correct charger. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.